Well, hello and welcome to another Tech Tuesday. Today we're looking at your Mac and how to keep it organized and how to basically make sure that you never run out of storage. So let's have a look at how to do that. From your desktop, move to the left corner and click on the Apple sign, then click on About this Mac. From here, go to Storage. This window will tell you how much storage is being used on your Mac and how much storage is still up for grabs. From this window, let's click on Manage. In here, under the Recommendations, let's click on Review Files. Right here. This window here shows you, first of all, large files that are stored on your Mac computer. Another important information in this window is the Last Access tab. Essentially, this tab tells you when those files have been accessed last time. Let's now have a look at how you can reclaim some of the space. Once I see a file that is take up a lot of space, this one for example, this one is a video clip and I'm not really sure what it is. If I want to know more about this file, I can click on Show in Finder. This will take me to the folder where this file is stored. And I can see that this file is actually the last week Tech Tuesday, which is still stored on my desktop computer. I no longer need this file. I can go back here and click on Delete. This will immediately delete this file and reclaim some space for me. I have another file here, Minecraft Education installation file that hasn't been used since August 23. If I need to make some space, I might as well just go and delete this file by clicking Delete, or I can go and show this file in Finder to give me more information as to where this file is and make an informed decision whether I want to keep it or delete it. Before we finish off, I just want to take a minute and remind everybody about the upcoming Chaos Tech Talks that are going to take place on October 31st. If you are interested in share some tech tips and strategies with your colleagues, use the link in the description to sign up to be one of the presenters. If you're still here, thanks a million for watching our Tech Tuesday, and we are looking forward to seeing you in the next episode. Thank you and bye-bye.